Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 6th of November. So we'll start analysis with the chart on our screen. This is GBP USD. So far on this chart the price is upwards. As you can see, the price massively moved to the lower side to the upper side during the previous day. The price opened somewhere around this point. Here. It opened here. It continued down, came up to this point, it came back up like that, and then there's this massive breakout to the upper side. The price even went beyond the highest high, the level. So you remember what we said yesterday? Well, while we were giving the focus, the price was actually around this point. The price was somewhere above that line. Then that would mean that the price is now continuing to the upper side. So that's exactly what happened. As you can see, the price broke beyond, it opened here, closed above, then the price came close, the price continued up to the take profit which you have at this level. So at that moment, while the price had broken above and it was now reversing to the lower side, then this could have been the correct place where you could have taken a buy from. This was the ideal place where you could have picked a buy from. I'm talking about this point here. That could have been the correct place to look for a buy from, expecting that buy to take price up significantly, broke beyond. So after this breakout, there's a retracement, because up to at least the high of these candles. At least the high of these candles. So if you're on this chart now, you're supposed to be looking for buy positions. Expect more buyers to at least where I'm having my take profit at. The next chart I want us to look at is USDJPY. Here. So this is bearish. There's nothing much to it. We are just downwards. The price is significantly to the lower side. I'm going to explain why we may see price continue even lower. Just look at this trend line. We had a support here. We had a support there. We had a support. We had a support. And then there was this breakout. The price opened here and closed below. So on this chart, technically, we just want price to retrace back up to the same point so that we pick a sell position from it. That sell should take us up to the support. So you're on this chart now. Just know we are still sellers. We are still looking for more sell positions. Keep looking for sell orders. Wait for some pullbacks. Then you're supposed to pick a sell position up to this monthly level, which is 101.175. So this is according to the daily, is a sell. Monthly, we also have a good sell because the price is below a significant support here. So we do have some very good support here, which was broken. So far, the price is still bearish. The next chart I want us to look at is Euro USD. So Euro USD is supposed to be bearish. The price is supposed to be downwards. But as you can see, it looks like the price has pulled back significantly to the upper side. So we just want price to come back up to the high of the previous month's candle, which is here, 1.18766. If the price can pull back up to this point, then this will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. We do expect that sell to take us at least up to this point, 1.16060. So if the price can come back, this is just like we are 6 days into the month, and then the price is almost approaching the high of the previous day's candle. So this may give us the ideal place to look for a sell from up to at least this level, 1.16060. There's something else. We do have a trend line which also supports that sell. We also have this. So you can see from the top we had a sell position here, there. We had a sell positions here, a sell position there, and we do expect price to sell off around this same point. So expect sellers to come in strongly at this level. We do expect that sell to push us up to at least this trend line. We'll move forward to our next symbol. We'll move forward to our next symbol. So you remember what we said on this chart previously? We had our level there. We had another level here. Then we mentioned, so this was the ideal place where you could have taken a buy from. If you took a buy from this point, your next take profit is here. And then your third price breaks beyond 3581.0, then this is going to be the ideal place to continue looking for buy from. So we just want price to clearly ascend beyond the upper line, 3581.0, then retrace back to the same point so that we can pick a buy position, expecting that buy to push us even higher. So the next chart is Brent oil. Brent oil, this chart should be upwards. We do expect more momentum to the upper side. We are expecting price to continue upwards. We have this here. We have a support there. We have a support there. We have a support. We expect price to break above this level, 41.774. We expect price to break above this level, retrace back, then continue upwards up to this support. So technically, this should be the ideal place to look for a buy from. If you're on this chart, if you didn't buy it while the price was here, expect a buy when the price breaks above this level, 41.774, where the price needs to continue up to 43.601. So I hope that is making some sense, that we are still upwards. We are still upwards. We still expect price to continue to the upper side. Ideally, we want price to continue up to 43.601, where if the price breaks and closes beyond it, then the next level is this, 46.416. The next chart for the day is this one, gold. So gold successfully broke beyond our level. We saw a breakout. So we had a trend line here previously. We had a trend line, and then there was another one here. So if you look at yesterday's forecast, we were actually looking for a sell when the price was here. We were looking for a sell when the price was here. Unfortunately, the price broke beyond. It even went above our stop loss. So we want price to continue upwards. This is now upwards now. We have that. We also have this. So after this breakout, we want price to retrace back up to around 1929.89 so that we pick a buy position up to 1872.92, where if the price breaks above, we do expect a continuation upwards up to 2005.87. So expect more movements to the upper side, ultimately up to 2005.87. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again on Monday at the center. So thank you. See you.